Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of DeepSeek. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of DeepSeek and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DeepSeek. If you find update, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.